Okay, so coming up to some dual carriageways, bending round to the left, has lines on the right hand side. It's a 40 mph limit, but the van's not going 40. Coming up to a roundabout, mirrors. It's going to be busy here because behind me is some roadworks. Mirrors, make the indication. Round we go. Just watch for any traffic coming from the right. One is coming from the right, but we've got plenty of room. And then round past the green lights, looking down the road as we extend our limit point. So we've got the bus up ahead of us. We will need the middle lane after the traffic lights, looking to see if anybody's waiting at the lights. And you're going to manoeuvre around the bus, mirrors, traffic behind, all good. Going to take the middle lane. Bus is moving out, mirrors, can be able to stop and let them come out. Just seeing which lane he's going to go into. Give him some space. And into the second lane. Bus is taking up quite a bit of space. Going to have a van on my right hand side. Mirrors, make the indication, one on. And watch the van. He's going to take my space, potentially take my space. Round we go. Just going to keep into the view of the van. And watch that he could easily come into lane 1 right in front of me. Put some speed up, and here he comes. No indication. Is he going to go over to the left? No. And bearing in mind he's a foreign line driver, yes, he's going to go to the left, so he's used completely the wrong lane, but we didn't need to stand on the brakes or catch us out. We expected it. Round we go. One on from the right. No, he's cleared now. Off we go onto the roundabout and follow the grey van. Hazard lines on the right hand side. Looking at the traffic coming in onto the roundabout. Mirrors, make the indication. So they've got a dedicated lane as they come round. We've got a heavy that's just on my left hand shoulder behind, and we've got this works van. Looking up the hill now, another heavy. It's a 50 mph limit, and we've got speed cameras. I've just seen an Audi behind me that's really shimmied out from the lorry. He's going to want to go fast. It is a 50 mph limit. I'm going to stay on the outside lane at the moment because I'm thinking we're going to be catching up with the heavy up ahead. We're going to be catching up with this van now and making an overtake. The Audi behind me's calmed down. He's not tailgating me, but as soon as he gets the moment to go past, he will, I'm pretty sure. Hazard lines on the left hand side with the junction to the right. All clear from the right hand side. And picking up a little bit of speed. Bit of debris in the road, no worries about that one. Bends round to the right. Can see our lorry further up ahead. Going round towards the right. We've got a junction on the right hand side. And in fact, crossroads, apologies. As we go round to the right. Hazard lines on the left hand side. Can see our heavy. We know it's up there. And we know it's going to start going slow. We've got the hill. And there we go. Slow lorries ahead of us. So the Audi behind me, he's with me. Hazard lines on the left hand side. It's a 50 mph speed limit. We're with the van at the moment. You can see the driver of the van. He's distracted. You can see him in the mirrors as it bends round. I thought he was on the phone. No. I'm in his blind spot at the moment, so I'm just going to push it up out of his way and slowing it down. We've got the heavy. We've got another vehicle up ahead. Really slow moving. The heavy may want to come out, so easing up. Going to give the chance for the heavy to come out. Heavy slowed right down. Mirrors all the way around. Off we go. And we've got a really slow vehicle here. One from the left, another heavy. Just not going up too quickly up on my speed. Now we can get up to speed again, back up to 50 miles an hour. Mirrors. Near side. Over we go. Going to let the Audi go past. He's going to go zooming past as soon as it goes into the National, further up ahead. We are going to slow down though because the traffic dictates where we're going. Got a vehicle pulling into the left hand, an opening on the left, hazards on my right. It's easing up a little bit now as my visibility's reduced a little bit and vehicles are slowing down. Got the Audi on my right hand rear shoulder and another vehicle behind me. Another van behind me. Can't use lane 2 just yet. Bends round to the left. Not getting too close to the vehicle in front. Mirrors. Not yet. Another van. Mirrors, shoulder check, indication, got a junction to the left. Over we go with a secondary mirror check, and then now we can accelerate. Just be mindful of the defender, and also the white van, low loader, will carrying the broken cars. Bending round to the left, up to speed, mirrors, back onto the lane 1, bends round to the right, further up ahead, junction to the right, junction to the left, further up ahead. There's our slit road. Bending round to the right, hazard lines on the right hand side. We're up to speed at 70 miles an hour. A hazard on the left hand side, tucked away in the bush. Happy with him. We've got a slit road coming in on the near side. Happy with that as well. Hazard into normal lane markings, bending round to the left, further up ahead. Not going to get too close to the van in front. Got my visibility all looking good. Vehicles behind at distance. Asking us to keep our distance, and I clearly have, as we bend round towards the left further down. Mirrors, vehicles behind. Considering lane 2 for the overtake. Mirrors, shoulder check, indication, secondary mirror check, over we go. Looking down the line for any debris or anything like that. So we are catching up with the white van, and we've got a junction further up ahead as it bends round to the left. Got a car coming down behind me there that's going to slowly catch up with me.